How to add and use NVIDIA Game Filters quick guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how can add and use NVIDIA Game Filters. So first of all, you can press alternative plus Z to open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, and press alternative plus F3, and then select game filter within the overlay menu, and then click the plus icon to add a new filter. Select the options like color, details or others, and use the sliders to customize your chosen filter, and add multiple filters to create your desired look. Save filter combination in the provided slot, up to 3 per game, and cycle through saved profiles and mid game using hotkeys. You can customize this in settings. So you have to make some considerations like game filters are supported in the wide range of game, and while powerful, using filters can impact performance. Consider testing different settings to find a balance that works for your system. And if you encounter a error message like a supported game is triggered to use this feature, try disabling and re-enabling the overlay to restarting the game. And if you're using the new NVIDIA app, you may need to access the overlay from the desktop, or alter plus F3 to add filters. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.